In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Vercel project. This is a simple process that only takes a few moments, but it can be incredibly important for keeping your projects organized and ensuring clear, consistent naming across all your work. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your project settings. Begin by navigating to your Vercel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your projects deployed on Vercel, providing you with a clear overview and easy access to each project. Once you're in the dashboard, look through your list of projects and select the one you wish to rename. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct project, as this is where we'll be making all our changes. With your project selected, the next step is to click on the Settings tab. This tab is usually located at the top or side of the project window, where you'll find various configuration options. Here, you can manage various aspects of your project, but today, we're focusing specifically on renaming. Now that we're in the settings, it's time to modify your project's name. In this area, locate the General section. Within this section, you'll find the field labeled Name. This field is where your current project name is displayed. Simply click on it and type in your desired project name. When choosing a new name, remember to keep it clear and descriptive to ensure that it accurately reflects the purpose or content of your project, making it easy for you and your team to identify it at a glance. Once you've entered your new project name, here's the straightforward part. You don't need to do anything else to save the changes. Vercel automatically saves any updates, making the renaming process seamless and efficient. As soon as you finish typing your new project name, your change is essentially instant. You should see a confirmation toast, which is a small notification that appears at the bottom right corner of your screen. This toast message indicates that your project's name has been updated successfully. It's a handy way to reassure you that everything went smoothly without requiring you to navigate away or refresh the page. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your Vercel project. By following these steps, you can ensure that your projects are always neatly organized and their names accurately represent their purpose. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and that you're now more comfortable navigating your Vercel dashboard and making necessary updates to your project settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.